keep you back.
Good morning, guys. For this Friday, what we're going to be doing is some avocado toast, a personal favorite, along with a side of strawberries. This is my realistic what I eat in a week with easy recipes because, you know,
Anyone can cook.
no, really. So I'm going to guide you guys along with some healthy recipes you can do. I'm a lazy chef sometimes, so every day I grab this snack. It's very good, and I haven't gotten bored of it yet. It's just a Cliff Bar with a protein shake, and it is so good. It tastes like chocolate milk.
I know.
Since this is a very realistic of what I eat in a week, sorry if the meals get really repetitive throughout the week. I just eat the same things all the time until I usually get sick of them. I will try to spice it up this week and give you guys some new food because I also need to expand with the foods I eat. For now, let's get cooking. Wait, I just realized I have food for lunch. I don't have to make food.
See it now, everything will be okay.
The food I ended up getting, I am saving for dinner. Right now, I am grilling some chicken and saving another piece for tomorrow. Also shredding some zucchini to make some zucchini noodles for lunch.
My own conversations, hoping you will come and save me.
This is the awkward time between lunch and dinner that I'm hungry, so I usually every day eat the same thing, which is oatmeal. I love oatmeal. It's so good. Oh, it's so hot. All right, I'll see you all in 10 minutes once this cools down. So this is the legendary food I've been saving. It is so good. It is skirt steak with rice and beans. You have seen me eat this in my previous videos. I just never get bored of it. Before bedtime, I make sure I have a ton of water beside me because I drink so much water. All my friends know that, so make sure to stay hydrated. Good morning. Today for breakfast I am prepping some spicy pancakes. So I didn't have any syrup, so we used some fat-free chocolate syrup and it was pretty good, and I'm not a big fan of chocolate syrup. This day was kind of the same as day one. For dinner, I decided to try a new recipe and I tried to make chicken fried rice, and it is the best thing I've ever made. And to be honest, I'm low-key happy I filmed this because I have been making this every other day and I keep forgetting how I did. So I'm gonna look back into this video when I decide to make it again. I started with making my rice, and after I did that, I applied some oil to the rice, mixed it around, and then I added my veggies. I added some edamame, broccoli, carrots, a pinch of garlic, and then I added the egg. Put it in my bowl along with a cold glass of water, and it was delicious. Then at night I was craving something sweet, so I added some strawberries with whipped cream to add a healthy dessert option. I do this all the time, like I'm not even kidding. Like, you think I'm doing this for show, I'm not. I was supposed to be in the video. No! Like, I do this. You get it. I do this. It was really off. I promise you, I do this all the time. Oh! I did it. Oh my god, that's so good.
Ryan Little.
Good morning. Why do I always do that? I just want to vlog real quick. I woke up really early today at like 8 o'clock. Got everything done this morning. Now I'm having my typical snack, but I just wanted to address that I literally eat this every day, and I have been eating this every day for like the past 2 months. Before everyone's like, wow, like she eats this. I do eat the same things every day, and I'll stop once I get tired with it. So these are just quick and on the go. When I got home, basically I ate my entire closet. Please tell me I'm not the only one that goes through this where you're so hungry, you eat a ton of snacks, but you're too lazy to cook and just eat your whole closet, because that's me. So I finally wasn't lazy, so I popped in some chicken skewers into this little egg, and it just makes it for me, which is great. It saves me a lot of time, and I made some tacos for lunch.
My girl so bad we call her detention.
Then I got my tortilla, and then I added some chicken, corn, beans, avocado, and some pepper to spice it up a little. And then you're done.
I'm losing breath, it's getting dark.
You know, guys, with my repetitive eating, we had our lovely oatmeal again. And I just sat down and ate this outside.
Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing.
Then we ended off the day with some Greek yogurt with some protein granola, blueberries, and a drizzle of honey.
Know that you the only girl for me, and I gotta let you know. She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes no.
Breakfast was nice and simple. My mom had some turkey bacon saved for me, and so I took some, added some egg whites and some peanut butter and jelly because you can never go wrong with peanut butter and jelly. After I tanned, I decided to eat some watermelon for a snack. Right now, I'm going to ShopRite. If I don't, I'm literally going to be eating the same thing I ate yesterday. I don't think you guys want to see me do that. This is how we're going to walk into ShopRite. Very trendy, I know. So let's go. Bump our playlist. We're just going for a quick run. That's what I always say, and I end up like 2 hours at ShopRite. I'm such a mom.
She was living in summer, flowers in her hair. No one ever loved her.
For my sandwich, I sliced up some lettuce, added some avocado. I also added some tomato, and I'm not a big fan of tomato, but for some reason I could tolerate it in my sandwiches. As a final touch, I added some turkey and I used some whole wheat bread.
Cause you say you don't need me, need me. Living in the summer, didn't last too long.
Remember that water stash I brought up earlier this week? Well, this is it now. It's kind of a mess. It's kind of funny though. We had a simple dinner. I was a little bit hungry, so I grabbed some sweet potato, boiled that, added some rice and some spinach. Breakfast was super fun this day. Me and my dad decided to have a day out together, so I got some French toast along with strawberries and bananas with a side of Taylor ham. Later that day when I was hungry, I grilled some chicken I had from the day before I made, and it was super easy just to heat it up again, and I made it wrap.
We're getting into a weird area here.
Maybe.
I'm so bored. You know what that means when you're bored. We're gonna eat ice cream. I hope I don't regret this later. I will. No, I won't. Then to end off the day, I had a delicious salad with carrots, cucumbers, and some grilled salmon. I also added some almonds and some strawberries with some Olive Garden dressing on the side because I love Olive Garden and their dressing is always so bomb. I love avocado toast, so I made it again, but instead I added some potatoes on the side.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down.
To end off this lovely day, I had the same Greek yogurt I had the other day, and then I had my Halo Top ice cream, which was the cookie dough one, and I added some light Hershey's syrup to it. It was so good.
Now I'm thinking
Now, welcome to day 7, the final day. I forgot to record my dinner this day, but I just had a salmon along with pasta and mozzarella cheese.
Yeah, you know I keep on running.
I love frozen blueberries, so we started it off again in the morning with them too because I can only eat blueberries if they're frozen. I don't know why, they just taste so good. I also had a ton of snacks throughout the day. I had this roll of crackers, and then when I was hungry, I made some rice. For the rice, I added some avocado, corn, beans, and chicken. Very simple yet again, but rice and beans is a good tradition in my home, so I never get sick of it.
I don't know what got me down.
If you try one of these recipes, let me know. I know they're not the most creative, but I think they're all delicious. So that's a week of my healthy eating. Make sure to subscribe below if you guys haven't. I really appreciate the support you guys have given me, and I will see you guys next week. I love you guys to the moon and back. Bye!